Welcome to TProject. Withdrawing TTTU to the exchange. Open your exchange app. Go to Wallets. Click Deposit in the next window. Select TTTU cryptocurrency. Copy the EOS deposit address, in this case MXCEX deposit. Open the T app. Click on T Wallet. Click Withdraw when displaying the TTTU balance. Select TTTU again. Paste the copied address MXCEX deposit into the address field. Copy your identifier/memo from the Exchange app. Paste the copied identifier into the memo field in T app. Attention! Please make sure to enter your Exchange memo to avoid loss of funds. This is a common mistake made by users. Enter the withdrawal amount and click Withdraw. You will receive a notification about the withdrawal of the selected amount in the T app within a few minutes. Check the balance in your Exchange wallet. Congratulations! You are now ready to fully use the TProject products.